Hi there, this is Almutasimbillahpixelstudio. Welcome back to another cool and exciting tutorial. And today we're gonna create something just like this. As you see now, this image we're gonna create using Photoshop. That without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, let's open the Adobe Photoshop. Here, okay, file, new. And make this with 1500 pixel and height within 5555 and make your resolution around 400 and then create here and then click on this button and after click this and after came here first let's change the color here. Okay, now hold on shift button, then after drag it here. Now click on the layer that now we create on the rectangle one and Ctrl+T to duplicate, and now Ctrl+T to transform it here, and then now hold on shift then up here, and now also click on the second layer we created and make it also the first, and then take it to the side of the first one here, up, yeah, and then now also click on this and Ctrl+J to duplicate it. Now also Ctrl+T, then take this one to bottom here, and then just make it small, yeah, and then now also click and Ctrl+J here, Ctrl+T, and then take this over here, take this one over here, yeah, it is enough. And then now also this one Ctrl+T to duplicate it here, and then take this one in the middle, yeah, it is enough, of course, and back to the first one and decrease the height of first image here. Now also make it or click on Ctrl+J and T, then take this one over here, yeah, it is enough. Let's some bigger, yeah, and now back, yeah, it's enough now. And now take now also click on Ctrl+J and T, and then make this one smaller here, like this around here, yeah, and also now Ctrl+J, make it this one smaller than the first one, yeah, and then click on this on the first layer we created, and this one Ctrl+J T, take this one over here and make it smaller, yeah, yeah. Now click from the rectangle one, and I came to down until the rectangle one shape. Now also click in this, just hold on the shift, click on the first rectangle it says, and then hold on shift and come to down and click on the last rectangle. Did you see it mark all of the rectangle at once? Then after, click in this folder bottom, then we created a group, then rename it design, then hit enter. Now let's take an image here and then drag it and drop over it here. Now just let me make image some bigger here. Then after, let me use this one, and then layer Y copy over from here. This one here. Sorry. Layer Y copy. Then after, Ctrl+T and make it this one bigger. Make it this one bigger to cover all of the place. Yeah. Then after, just let me this one, and then let me make it bigger. Yeah. And take this layer to down under the first one, and then click on the first layer, then right click, resize layer, then let me delete that one. Yeah, as you see. Now click on hold on Control and click the layer one which says on the layer that we created. Then after, right click, merge layer. Now right click and clip, create clipping mask. Did you see now? Wow, it's amazing. Now we should have to create, click on this one and click this and solid color. Then from this color, make it 2A, 2E, 2E. Did you see? Now click OK here. Now this image is visible very well. We can see it. Then also now create one triangle over here. Now just let me make it this one different from the first layer. Yeah, this one is more likely. And after, take this one over here. Yeah. Then duplicate this also as before, Ctrl+J. Then after T, make it this one is after over here. Make it small. Yeah. And then after, double click on the second layer which we copied, then color overlay. Yeah, that's really pretty much. Just let me, yeah, this one is pretty much. Then OK, now click on this and just let me rename it over here, John, that's fine, John. Then after, click in this and the character and make it this one big, and then let me make it some bigger, this one, yeah. And take this one over here, then this one is also has to be 100. No, let's make it over here to be equal. Then this one needs to be over here, and then let's create other text. Then over here, Almutasimbillahpixelstudio. Then decrease the size of text here. Let's get over here and click on this one. If you didn't get the character window, then after character here, and click on this button, this one. Then after, over here, let me write Pixelstudio. as you see. From this one, click on this and then decrease this one. Yeah, and now increase this one. Yeah, and then the size of the text. Yeah, and after take this up. Yeah, now going pretty much. Okay, let's add some social networks right here. Sorry. Now it's going pretty much. Let's build up to make a place to give some space for it. On the third icon, which I'm going to create just to make it let me make it this one upper here. After studio. Yeah, it's going up pretty much. Yeah. Yeah. And then this one. Here. Now let's add some text right here. Then after click on character, then make this one 0 here. Then make it this one small. Yeah. Here, yeah, and after rotate also. So this now also. So make this one smaller. Here. And put this. Some here, your place over here, your location, and then over here you can add it. So let me change the font. So here, 1, 2, 3. Your place over there, and then over here your phone number over here. Let's see. Over here your phone number. Just let me make it bigger. Here. Did you see? It's now going very pretty much, and then you can just save it as you need. And this is all what I have for you today, guys. I hope all of you enjoy and learn something from it, from our today's tutorial, and create your own design and then make it your Facebook cover. And thank you for your big and attractive attention and attentive. Thank you very much. If you like this video, click on like button and subscribe my channel, and don't miss anything that I'm uploaded. Thank you till I come to another cool and exciting tutorial. Bye bye.